Good morning. Before I proceed to my next videos, I would like to thank to all the people who give their time to watch my previous videos. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for every time I make a new videos, you will be updated. Uh, Thank you for all your supports. And don't forget to share. Thank you. Okay. Uh, this is my 26-inch frame MTB bike, and as you notice, I was changing the fork, the rim to 27-inch, uh, and also I was changing the crank pedal into two selective change ring. The product I used was a Jicon, and it's a China made, and I'm not changing the cassette to 8 speed, but I changed the cassette into 8 speed, but it's oversized. And also I was changing also the railer, and change also the pulley of the derailleur. I replace it into a ceramic pulley, uh, and it become and also the saddle I was changing, and put the rack on the bike for my touring plan. And for this time I'm not changing the handlebars, still at the it's still a stock, and the same handlebar that you can see to my previous videos. I did not do any painting color, because I want you to know that this bike was a 26-inch. So if I make a makeover for repaint the frame, you will not notice that this bike was a 26-inch. So I stay like that. And as you can see in the front, there's a big clearance, uh, or there's a big space on the park. Yeah, I use the 27 rim wheel, 2.5. Still good. Then I put all the bike parts from my previous bike, and it fitted okay. Uh, Now, what you can see is look like aggressive. I was planning to continuing to improving this bike, but for the meantime, all the parts that I needed is not yet to come. On my previous bike, on my previous of this setup, uh, the sides of the cassette was a small 8 speeds, small size. I think this old cassette was a 36 only, but I buy the cassette 8 speed also, but it was oversized for my plant, just in case to any high steep, there's able to climb well. Because I'm not the best bikers. I'm just only a beginner. For anyone who knows that uh, I'm not a pro bikers, because this years I only just start to develop myself to learn about what is cycling all about. Uh, Now, what I observe here is when I use a quick release uh, quick release lock. I've seen that there's a different uh, problem that I encounter. Look at these sides. It's too much, I think, and the size is a compromise for the distance between two sides of the quick release holder, I guess. And also I observed that the brake is not working well at all. Even though that this stock on the previous, I was checked before that this brake was good, and no matter what how I do with this, I always encountering the observe maybe that I don't have enough tools to find and to yeah, I don't have enough tools for to test or to rectify the problem. But I use this bike as a for temporary. I use bike here and got around my neighbor, and um, yeah, to buy something. I go to the mall, to the market, and still working, but I always encountering problem. It means I'm not satisfied for the setup of the bike, but still I can use uh, it. By the way, once I lock, I tied it too much. I encountering the tightness of the wheel when it comes to rolling. When I was when it was I was riding, yes. And what is the old parts from here also was the derailleur. I never changed the derailleur because I don't want to spend too much for the parts. So I use the old derailleur. I use the old uh, si- what we call shifters and brake. I think it's good, and it can able to use it can able to use the so whatever the development I will do for this bike, I think it would be a little, because I want to change the handle only, and I think in the next previous video will I will make a improvement for the back of the wheel set. And that's it. And thank you for your watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and share. Thank you very much.